we are going to start some major concepts of this uh, topic. So before going to start, we have to do some of the cancellation. Yesterday in first lesson, those who have not reviewed the concept of my first lesson, kindly go to YouTube channel and watch my video, online session 1. This is online session number 2. Skills over there, and it will be easy for you. So I'm again sharing, this is question number 2. I told you that when they are adding, so you cannot simplify. Okay. For instance, I gave you one concept of this, which I like to highlight over here. For instance, student, I say x plus 4x upon x. So this is not possible. Please pay attention. This is not possible that you are going to cancel these two and write answer 1 plus 4x. That is not correct. This is what we have learned yesterday. Okay, the thing is, we have to take common first and then factorize. Okay, what is the common over here? Again, I'm telling this
X.
plus 4x upon x. Very good, Saad. X is the common. And what is left in the bracket? We will factorize first.
Sir, 1 plus
4x.
1 plus 4.
1 plus 4x.
1 plus 4. Or simply you can say, and this is x. Simply in other cases, okay, x and when I write over here, when I cancel these x and x, the answer will be 5x 5. Similarly, students, you simplify first numerator. For example, for x plus 4x is 5x upon x, and then student you will cancel x and x, so our answer will be 5. Okay, student, one important thing. Now the question number from your book, the question number 2, A part. So we will be doing each and every part of each question, so that you will be getting the concept of this. So 6A exercise, and then question number 2A. So you will see that first we take the common, then we can cancel. So exercise, question number 2A, right? Question number 2A. So the question is, for xy plus 3y, xy plus 3y divided by 4x plus 12. But keep one thing in your mind, that you will factorize first. Do not start simplifying and canceling. So what is a common in denominator? A numerator and denominator.
Sir, x. Y.
This is
Y.
our denominator. So you will take common. What is the common?
Y.
What is left?
X
X.
plus 3.
X plus 3. And then denominator 4 will be common.
4 will be
4
common.
will be
Then,
common.
X plus 3.
X plus 3.
and then so, so two
Then the
empty
x plus
brackets.
3
So
will be
y
cut.
over 4.
The x
Yes,
plus 3 will be cut.
we are going to cancel x plus 3 and x plus 3.
X plus
5.4 is the answer.
So answer is
y upon 4.
y upon 4. This is our answer. Similarly, my dear students, question number 3A. Now, rest of the parts will be the same. You will take common and simplify. Now, exercise, same exercise, 3A part. Now, look at this. In numerator 2A plus B, numerator 2A plus B divided by 4A square minus B square. 4a square minus b square. Okay, dear students, how can we do this now? First of all, okay, what is
Sir, in denominator we will use.
Sir, the answer would be 1 over 2a minus b.
Sir, it will be
Sir, we use
2a
formula
plus b equals to
1 over 2a minus
4a
b.
plus b. Then 4a minus b. Then it will become.
in numerator? No? What is the common in denominator?
2. Sir, a. Sorry.
Madam, nothing is common.
Sir, we use a formula
Which formula?
a square minus b square.
But 4 is multiple. Okay, very good. In denominator, we have one identity. Over here, I'm writing, please keep in your mind, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, then a minus b, right? In denominator, we can make,
Yes, sir.
but over here, 2a plus b will remain same, and we are applying identities. What is identity? What is which number square is 4a square? Can you tell me?
2.
Okay, now you write
2, sir.
2a. That is 2a. The square of 2a is 4a square. What is the square of that? It will be
b.
formula and open it and apply this formula now. This will remain same. 2a plus b. This is remain same. Now this can be written twice. Look at this, a plus b and a minus b. What is a and what is
Sir,
b?
2a plus b.
2a plus b and 2a minus b.
2a minus b.
Plus b and 2a minus b. Hope you are copying. Keep start. You keep writing this with me. 2a plus b and 2a plus b cancel. Student, what is our final answer? What is left over here? 1.
1 upon 2a minus b.
Minus 1 over 2a minus 1 upon 2a minus.
And our answer is 1 upon 2a minus b. This is our final answer. Okay. Hope you are writing with me. Have you noted down in your copies? Part 2
Yes, sir.
and 3. Okay. Hope you have done this now. The third part, question number 2a and done and 2a 3 done. Let me save this exercise.
Sir, there's an option of erase in the top
Option
middle.
of it is, first of all, I want to save this. I want
Sir,
to,
control S.
but this will complete save in, okay. But this is, okay. Now I'm going to erase this. You can also take the picture of this. Okay. I'm going to erase, and now all of you please pay attention on question number 4a. Right? Remember such identities, please. Should I erase all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now all of you have to remember these identities so that when you do this, you will apply in your uh, solution. Okay. In the same question 3a, now I am doing for you B part of this because other question will be the same. Okay. Now B part, question 3. This is very important for all of you. Factorization of breaking the middle term. I hope you remember breaking the middle term. Let me give you.
Yes, sir.
Let me give you a hint of this. For example, you have x square plus 5x plus 6. This is quadratic expression. Now you have to factorize. How can we factorize this? You know, you have to multiply this two numbers that will that will make 6, and if you add them, they will become 5. So what are two numbers?
6
We
minus 1.
no minus. We will be adding those two numbers because there is a plus sign here, and get 2 3 the 6. 2x 2 3 the 6. 2x plus 3x plus 6. Okay. Now breaking the middle, after you have to groups them, make group of them. Okay. What is the common in first group from here?
X.
X is common. X plus 2x plus, which is common from here?
3.
3.
So
What are
3x plus.
from two brackets? X plus 2 bracket is common. No, X plus 2 bracket is common from both. Okay. And then
X plus 3.
x plus 3. This is the answer. Students, we are doing this in 3b part. Look at this. Now I'm doing b part over here. So you will be factorizing first, and then you will simplify. Without factorization, we will not factorize. This is the major concept of this exercise. Okay, now I'm doing c part. Yes, Adam.
No, sir, my hand got raised by mistake.
Okay. C square plus 2cd. C square plus 2cd. C square plus 2cd and minus 15d square minus 15d square in denominator. In denominator we have 4c square plus 4c square plus 20cd. In denominator we have simple factorization, but in numerator we have to factorize according to this. Okay, 5 3 times 15. This is negative sign with this number, and I told you when there is a negative sign, so we have to take two different sign number in breaking the middle term. Okay, so 5 3 is 15. Can anybody tell me now?
Plus 5 CD and minus 3 CD.
Very good. Plus 5 CD minus 3 CD minus 15 d square upon. Okay, now this is simple factorization. What is the common from here?
4C.
4c. What is
C plus 5D.
c plus 5d. Now in numerator we will make groups. Look, right? We will make groups in numerator. So what is that?
C.
What is the
Plus
common from here?
C common.
C common.
Sir, C plus 5D.
C plus 5d. And then what is
So
common?
next one minus will be
Negative will
minus
remain.
Sir,
D will be common. Minus
Negative
3
will
D
be
will be
same.
common.
minus 3. Minus 3D.
3d common. Then
C will left.
Sir, C.
C plus 3 C
negative
plus
will
C
5
plus.
C plus 5D.
now two brackets are same. Don't worry, in the next step we will be doing the same thing.
4 6.
C plus 5d.
So then C plus 5 C.
Are you writing with me?
Yes, sir.
Because after that I will edit. Okay. The next step, What is the which bracket again? Again we'll take copy.
C plus 5D in one bracket.
In
Okay,
one bracket, C plus 5D. In second bracket, C minus 3D.
C plus 5D, and in
C
other
minus
bracket
3D.
C minus 3D. Okay, now
4C.
so
C5 plus
which will be
5D.
simplified? Which will be simplified? Can anyone tell
C
me?
plus 5D. So both of them get cancelled out.
Very good. C plus 5D and C plus 5D
So
cancel. So this
the
will be
answer will be C minus 3D divided by 4C.
very good. This will be our final answer. Now you have to do all the questions in the same way in numerator and denominator. Now easy. All questions are easy. In sometime in numerator they are giving our to us factorization, breaking the middle term, and sometime in denominator they are giving. So you have to do. And second one, you have to apply in this question these two identities. Please keep in your mind that you must remember number one, factorization by breaking middle term. Okay. And second thing, identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and then a minus b. Okay, you have to keep this in your mind. Wherever the identity is applied, you have to apply this identity as I have applied in the last question. Okay, student, should we move to the other question now? 4b, for question number 4a. Okay, are you there? Now 4a. Hope you are getting the idea. I hope. Okay, now simplification of two fractions. This is very important to please put your heading in your notebook that simplification. Yes, Adam. Simplification of beta hint. Keep in your copy whatever I'm writing over here. Hint is simplification.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Simplification of two fractions. Simplification of two fractions. Okay, students, I am giving you one example. How can we simplify two fractions? Later on, we will be applying our identities over here. For instance, students, I give you x square y upon 3x multiply by multiply 3x y square upon x power 4. Please mute your mic, all of you. Please mute your mic. All of you, please mute your mic. Thank you. Okay. Now, can anybody tell me these are two fractions? Look at this. These are two fractions basically. Now we are simplifying for number one and two. We are applying simplification over here. So please, anybody can tell me now, Sadullah and anyone else who is there in the class. Please tell me how can we simplify now? Hurry up. Now this is in your hand. Umar Jamil is there. Umar Jamil is there or not? Who will take the
Yes,
class
sir.
control? Umar Jamil, take the class control and explain question number 4A. Hurry up.
Sir, in question number 4A, we are given two fractions, which is x square y and upon x and 3xy y square upon x
Explain,
square.
listen to me step by step. Please tell step by step. Now, the first step, what we are going to apply here. The first step. Hurry up.
First, sir, we will first we will, sir, open the powers.
Open the powers. What is it?
Sir,
So,
sir, to make it in brackets, we will open the power. We will take the common.
Arey bhai, we will simplify just applying rules of indices. One more hint I write to like over here. Hint, simplifying, and sometime apply laws of indices. Apply laws of indices. Apply laws of indices. So, beta, one simplification, the very important step is there are, first of all, you have to simplify this fraction and then simplify this fraction, and whatever the answer comes, you will simplify other fraction as well. This is another way. In other way, you can also, first of all, both numerators in multiply form, and this is also in multiply form. So you can do first multiplication over here. So both methods are correct. Sadullah, can you explain what two methods I have explained now to simplify this? Yes, Sadullah, but can you please explain now the two steps I have just explained? Sadullah, but are you listening to me?
sir, your voice is breaking.
Sadullah, I'm telling you, please explain this. Please. The two steps I have just explained right now. Hurry up. Sadullah, are you listening to me?
Sir, you said that we have to apply the laws of indices.
So you have to teach to the class. Kindly teach this question to class. Tell me what should I do? Which
Sir,
method should I follow? For here.
sir, we
Yes, Sadullah. Hello. So let me first simplify numerator. According to laws of indices, this is power 2 and power 1 is here. So 2 plus 1 and 3 will be multiplied with this 1. And then y power 1, y power 1 plus 2. In denominator, x power 1 plus 4. This is very simple way I have chosen for you. The final answer of this numerator and denominator, 3x power 3 y power 3 divided by x power 5. Now simplify this. How many 3s are there? आपने यहीं पर ही cancellation करनी है. 3 power cancel and then 2 will be left. There will be 2 left. Okay, what is the final answer? What is the final answer?
answer will be 3
X square. This is our final answer. Now students, I'm going to teach question number 1, 4A part for you, and then you will do the rest of the questions. Okay, let me start this one over here for you. Hope you are writing with me in your notebooks. Chalo. Okay. Question number 4A. This is the basic idea that I was giving regarding question number 4. Okay, please watch those students who were taking problems in simplifying these fractions and algebraic manipulation. They must. I have uploaded and then watch this video. Video will also be uploaded today. So please watch this video as well if you have any problem in the concept. So this video will also be uploaded today. So now I'm start question number 4a, 15a square upon, look at this, 15a square upon 8ab cube c, 8ab cube c, and then multiply by 4c upon 5ab, 4c upon 5ab. Okay, if there are numbers coming in numerator and denominator, it is better to cancel these numerator first so that it will be easy for you. So can I do like this? 4 1 times 4, 4 2 times 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Remember, you have to simplify numbers first. Otherwise, if you multiply first, there will be big number. So you will take a lot of time to simplify them. Okay, this can be cancelled. 5 1 times 5, 5 3 times 15.
Yeah.
And what is answer in numerator left? What is left in numerator?
Sir, 3a to the power 2 to the power minus 1.
No, why minus 1? But I'm multiplying these numerators only as I did in the previous question. And now, what about this? A and A multiply. A 1 plus 1, because 1 power is here, the 1 power is here. What about this? B 1 power is here, B 3 plus 1, and then C. Okay, student, what is the simplification of this? Later on, I will simplify. Okay, A power 2, B power 4, and C. Now you simplify over here. How many A's are there? A's and A cancel, and C cancel. What is our final answer? What is our final answer, students? 3 upon B power 4.
B power 4.
This is our final answer. Hope this is looking very easy for you, because if you miss any concept, please watch this video on YouTube. Okay, students, we have done 4 questions. Such questions will be coming again. You will be doing the simplification in numerator and denominator, taking common and then simplification. Okay, so this is our lesson related to exercise 6 till question number 4, and you will be able to do all these questions. Okay, now I am coming to question number 5, A part. Over here the same thing, but in over here some brackets will be involved, some factorization will be, sometime group factorization directly given to you, sometime numerator and denominator in both you have to break the middle term. Okay, 5a, I'm going to explain question number 5. Hope you have done all these questions. Should I erase now?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Wait. Sir, wait.
Should I erase the hint that I have given to you? Simplification of 2.
Yes, sir. You can erase the hint.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the answer at the back of question 4 is 3 upon 2 to the power b, 3 upon b to the power 4.
So what I have written?
3 upon b to the power 4.
So what I have written? Is his answer correct or not? Hello?
Sir, the answer at the back is 3 upon 2 b to the power 4.
Okay, yes, students. Income, because 4 2s are 8. Thank you very much. 2 will come over here. I forgot to write. Thank you very much, Adam. This 2 was left because when I cancel 4 1 times 4, 4 2 times 8, so the answer will come 4 upon 2. So remember, you don't forget to write the simplification. Okay, you don't write to forget to write simplification when you simplify numbers. So keep in your mind. Instead of writing 2, I think I have written 2 very far away from it. So I should write over like this. I should write this 2 very near to 8 so that I must know that 5 3 times 15 and 4 2 times there so that I don't forget to write. Equal. Okay. Now question number 5, 5A part. Question number 5A. Okay. Now question number 5A. 9x 9x a minus b whole square. All of you please mute your mic, please. All of you please mute. Thank you. And in numerator, please check your answer questions as well. 27x cube, 27x cube, a minus b whole cube. Okay, student. Now, can we simplify numbers first?
Yes, sir.
9 1 times 9, 7. X cancel, and how many x are left over here? 2. Okay. Uh, the over here a minus b expression is written twice, and over here it is written 3 times. So I can cancel it. I can write it 1 time. What is my final answer?
1 3 x
Don't
to the
forget
power a minus b. A minus b.
x square minus b. This is our final answer. Now I hope you will be able to do question number 5A as well. Sometime breaking the middle term I have taught you. Okay, now question number 6A. Okay, one part from question number 6. These are 3 fractions are coming. Okay, student, now this
Sir,
is
you can erase the last one.
which one? Which one should I do?
Sir, the last one.
L
Or
part.
the middle one. Middle one.
Middle one? What do you mean by middle one?
Sir, erase the middle one.
Erase the middle one?
Sir, you are writing na question number 6, so erase the middle one.
Okay, students. Uh, in question number 6, now 3 fractions are coming. So you have applied, you should apply the concept of 2 fraction on 3 fraction as well. So you will be doing all this. Okay, I'm going to teach another question to you. 5E part. In 5E part, some of the, because it in a dividing coming here. Okay, should I do H part for all of you so that you can do taking? Okay, let me do E part. Let me do question number 6E part. Variety of concepts are there. And then last 15 minutes for all of you to complete the work. This is the last question I'm going to teach. Question 6E part. 6E. All of you please pay attention. 6E, and 6E is 3W minus 7. 3W minus 7 divided by 5W cube. Okay, is this dividing sign over here? Okay, dividing sign there. And 21 minus 9W upon 27W. Student, what is the first step that should I follow? Can anybody tell me? How can I do this? This is division sign. What should I do?
Sir, we will multiply it and then flip the numbers.
Reciprocal the fraction.
Sir, we reciprocal it.
Some student reciprocal before the division sign. Is it true? Is it true to do reciprocal the fraction written before the division? Yes?
Yes.
No. We should not flip or reciprocal the fraction which is written before division. We should flip or reciprocal the fraction which is written after the decimal, after the division sign. Now, after you have written the multiplication, now you can cancel it. Okay, but now factorize and then cancel. If can anybody tell me what is the basic simplification over here? Can anybody tell me? This W is written because this W can be cancelled because they are factors. So this W cancelled and this W cancelled, so 2 is left here. So what is left over here in numerator? Can anybody tell me what is left? Sorry, what is left over there? If I multiply this 27 bracket 3W, don't multiply because don't expand the bracket because we are uh, sorry, because we are simplifying. So do not expand the brackets. After that, brackets will be simplified. Remember, we are doing simplification over here, okay? This is our topic that we are going to simplify this. The main objective that we are simplifying. Okay, so in numerator, what is the common? Can anybody tell me what is the
Sir,
common?
3.
3 is the common. Let me one more.
Sir, because it would be like 3, then bracket 7 minus 3W.
Let me thank you, beta. Let me do it very simple for you so that nobody will have any confusion. 5W. Let me factorize first. So 27 upon 9 is the 9, not 9 is the common. And what
Sir, common is 3.
3 7 times 21 minus 3W. Okay. Now students remember. Now student remember this is 3W minus 7. Okay. Now this can be cancelled or not? First, we let me simplify this. 3
Yes,
times
sir.
7. Acha, one important thing is, let me teach you step by step because this is very important. One identity is also applying in this question. So let me give you a basic hint of this, then we will simplify. Multiply by 9 upon 7 minus 3W. Okay, these two bracket cannot be simplified. Can anybody tell me why? Can anybody tell
Sir,
me why?
there is no common in them.
But excuse me, let me erase this and then I will tell you why this cannot be cancelled. Student, very important, very important. I want to give you the hint of this in black color. That is, please keep in your mind that A minus B, and I write over here B minus A. Beta, these cannot be cancelled unless they are same. Means A minus B can be cancelled by A minus B. So both fraction can be same with sign. But over here, if I want to make B minus A, what can I do? What can I do over here if I want to be minus A? Use identity that A minus B is equal to, you have to apply this identity, minus B minus A. This is equal to this. This is identity that when you take minus common, it will be same. Okay, if you multiply this, it will be equal to this minus B and minus minus plus A. Look, the signs are same now. A minus B are same. So if I want to make this identity will be equal to, can anybody tell me? which will be equal to this. This will be equal to, yes, hurry up, minus 7 minus 3w. Okay, take minus outside and change the sign inside the bracket. Hope you understand. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And minus sign is will be there. Be careful. The minus sign is there. Now you can cancel these two brackets. Can anybody tell me the answer of this? What is the final answer?
Minus 9 over 5w.
Minus 9 upon 5w.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Please note down this, and then you will be given 10 minutes to practice your questions. Hurry up. Please start doing. And this is our lesson that we are going to end right now. And now the practice time will be started.